All right, so we're going to get started here. My name is Ryan. I am the CAD student lead here on Team 930. Welcome everybody to KrayonCAD 101. We're going to be going over simply what KrayonCAD is, how to get it onto your laptop into Onshape, and then we're going to guide through how to create 3 different robots from 3 different years, 2022, 2023, and 2024. If you have any questions at any point, raise your hand and somebody can come around and then we can help you out. All right, so getting right into it. So this is our agenda here. What is KrayonCAD, how to access it, why is it a valuable tool, and then the hands-on practices. Shouldn't take us too long. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see. All right, starting, what is KrayonCAD? KrayonCAD is a primitive conceptualization tool developed by Team 3512 for use in Onshape only for right now, and it uses scripts and other different individual parts that are user-defined via variables, so you can change the dimensions on the different parts and like other selectable stuff. So like for the swerves, you can choose the swerve models, you can choose bumper heights, frame perimeters, types of intakes, game piece sizes, everything like that. And it's used to put together a very simple robot design. It's used by many high-profile teams due to how it can resemble a full robot, like a final robot design very, very quickly. So how to access it is it can be accessed through the MKCAD inserter, or it can be tagged through the public document. So we're going to go through both ways right now if you guys are okay with following along. Otherwise, yeah. So here's the guide for MKCAD. So I think we'll spend a little bit of time going through this if everybody doesn't have it. I'll also do an on-screen example right now if anybody wants to just be sure. So, App Store, CAD library, right there. And then I already have the plan, but it would be right there. Then you'd confirm all that. Then it's right here. KrayonCAD's right there.
So is this done through the assembly feature?
Yes.
Okay.
So I will also begin to walk through the tagging process as well, which is slightly different, but I'll get you the same basic assemblies. So I'll do the example right now. So you'll go to an assembly, insert, you will go to public, KrayonCAD, this one right here. There it is right there. All right. So now we're going to talk about why KrayonCAD is useful in the build season. It offers easy ways to check interferences and see space relative to other assemblies in the robot. It allows to quickly generate concepts and then also visualize the integration of the sub-assemblies and how everything will interact in the final robot, along with like being able to visualize the path that a game piece would take through your robot. And as mentioned, and also shown in the picture, you can see that the KrayonCAD prototypes often correlate very, very closely to final robots, even if the robot is extremely complex or extremely simple. That's the nice part about KrayonCAD is you can do a really complicated robot or you can do a really simple robot, and they're sort of interchangeable.
So, were the more complicated 3D models on the left created in KrayonCAD as well?
No,
Okay.
those were created by other teams.
Okay. Well, I should say created through KrayonCAD.
So now we're going to move on to some of the hands-on practices. Do we have any questions before we continue though? No? Alrighty then. So I think the first robot we're doing is Citrus Circuits from 2022. Here's the image right here. Let you guys get a good look at that, and then we will start to develop that robot. Okay. So we're gonna have some people walking around. Hopefully, we get some extra hands if anybody needs it. So give everybody a minute here. So when everybody's ready, first part we're going to do is we're going to insert the swerve. I don't specifically remember what the frame perimeter was. I think it was squared. 26 by 26. MK4Is. And all that looks correct to me. Then we're going to fix that.
What are the dimensions?
26 by 26. And it uses MK4I swerves. Next we'll do the intake. So Citrus uses a 4-bar intake in here. Right there. Wall diameter was 9.5. There's a gap offset. I don't remember off the top of my head what I made that. -2, 26 inches wide. Right from the top of the bumper.
Just leave those up, Ryan, for a bit so people can catch up.
The dimensions? Yeah.
Okay. Go to there. And use the update that I think that we do. And scroll down. KrayonCAD. And then you should find the where, yeah. I think he's just clicking set screen. So you just click insert. Give a second. Get some visibility. I can use the topic. Maybe a refresh here. Okay, so now you can side click on it. Just get this environment and you fix it. And that way it won't move. And then it's adding a intake in. 4-bar intake, so it's fine. And split fall diameter, change that. Just go through. See there will be two jobs. Model.
Right.
then show them how to change the values as well. After they've already done, so they can go and change the configuration.
Am I doing all right?
Just slow down a little bit.
So once everybody's got that, you're gonna go under the 4-bar tab here, configurable, and you're gonna open outline or unhide it. So that way you can get these sketch parts here. Because obviously we can't have an intake just floating around. It's not really an intake then. Then you're gonna do a pass animate. You can do a make connector directly on the sketch. I would recommend one of the corners here. And then just the middle point right there.
I am
What was the intake width?
26 inches.
And then when you have it there, it says like -2. Is it 2?
It's -2, the gap offset. Because the gap offsets the center distance from this roller to this roller.
So if we put in -2, it goes red.
Is that in the MKCAD inserter?
Yeah.
You can configure it afterwards and it'll allow you to do the -2. I don't know why MKCAD gives that issue. So you can insert it with 0, 0, and then you can
Insert with 0, 0.
enter it with 0, 0, and then you can change the configuration after that to be -2, -2.
Yeah. Insert. And then so that goes the negative number.
Yeah, I didn't imagine see what I was even. You can configure it as a negative number after. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it won't let you do a negative number on the front end, but you can do it on the back.
It's really weird. I don't understand why it does that.
I don't know. But I think like all the mechanisms. Right.
Mhm.
It doesn't like negatives on the front end. Configuration. Have like a blue little icon in front of it. And then now I'm really weird. And then you just use the make connector on the top.
Yep, I'm just using the make connector on the corner of the sketch here.
So you show the outline sketch. And then from there, you can do a constraint, which is not that hot symbol, but like the cylinder. So that one does take two things with lots of degrees of freedom. And then you want to select the limit on the sketch area. Click on throughout the bumper, that top back corner of it. Yes, so hover over the, hover over in the top corner of that sketch. Yeah, just like move there. Um, inside click, click on that. And just, yeah, right there. That one, exactly. Click there. Just one make it clear. And the other one we're going to use is the one on the drive rail. Like drive rail there. Just hover over it and hit sign right there. And now if you click solve, it will adjust the condition. Oh, looks like it's something wrong. So we can fix this manually. It's just rotate 90 degrees. You can do an offset, and then you can rotate around. In this case, you want to rotate around the y-axis. So instead of rotating around x, you should just rotate around y. And just try the rotation.
14 inches high.
As you guys can also see, KrayonCAD is not perfect by any means, so you can have some collisions here, but
It's not really the point, though. You're just trying to get kind of that general shape, architecture of the robot.
yep.
It'd be different than that.
So I've never done the CAD for a robot, so like, would you actually, so is it something that you'd use for the final design,
Well,
No. This would be more of something that
or?
lower diameter, angle 45. About next one.
finding
12.5.
but it's not something you don't want to use this for one part.
Generate.
You can only run like something that's this robot assembly, and you can use it as a reference to get what they
Plus
it's all
long.
Oh, yeah, so they lined it to the middle of the back. Between
just fascinating to back into it.
Yep, just fasten it directly to the back edge.
So when you click on that, it automatically centers.
Yeah,
Is that how
so
it works?
so with the meat connectors, when you choose a fasten, that's saying these two meat connectors are these stuff together. So it's constraining in every direction. So he chose the center of the
Back.
index, and he also chose the
Right.
center of
And
the
the
two.
back.
So it aligned them together.
Boom, okay.
If you wanted to do like it in
Oh, okay, so I see it. Okay.
Yeah. Then you could use like there's sliders that allow it to still slide but online. But there's so those are the different options up there. The back is the main one that just blocks it.
Mhm.
What are you guys doing?
And maybe the one that goes on top of that.
So don't use the wheel. Use the tube. You want to fasten, yeah, you're in it. I want the back end of the tube here. You want the bottom and you want the center of it.
18, 10,
Yep.
12.5.
If you use that one there, then you need to make sure now on the corresponding
Ball.
thing where you put it on the frame. If you zoom out a little bit, you want to put it on the back drive.
Looks like the ball is not blocked.
Hover over, do you want the bottom one?
No, it's just gonna be a fasten, but it's gonna be offset.
Okay. First step ahead.
18, 10, 12.5.
You get one of the constraints?
Yeah,
You got the second one maybe?
Then move that out of the way. This one is locked on the top. It's gonna be locked.
You're doing it actually. You spot up. You get back. Seems like
It's hovering above the. see. Oh, it's gonna be down.
Oh, we got it next. Oh. We're doing the second one now.
No, we got to move it back and we got it put in the slot.
You can also be a Robotics and you can shift it manually if you get it. So it looks like it is like too high.
Yep.
Okay. So if you go and you double click on your fence on the second fastening line, down by the some features. Edit that fasten, double click on it. There you go. Now if you go to the offset option, you check that. You can then shift it, and then if you want to go down, if you look there, it's like
55 degrees.
yeah, one direction.
But you got to rotate about Z, not X.
That's fine. So you want to shift the Y now. The height of the 2x1 base situation. That's what you want to do.
-2.
And yep, that should be the right way. And sometimes the direct one can be a bit weird, but it's just add a negative, take away the negative. It just depends on but in this case it worked out. So that's like when you're using that back edge and rotating that. You can see it. What you want.
So you connect that to that.
Okay, so I think you can select the after you select the view connector, so you're only able to replace the you want to select the view connector,
Could you show us the dimensions for the second thing?
Yes.
Thank you. I have it rotate.
You probably just did a different main connector.
I have mine where like if this is the turret, mine was like this way instead of.
That's fine.
It wasn't. Was it 55? I don't know.
And now you can see but in this case, you would be like right? Look at the coordinate, the X facing the chip. So you kind of you want to represent
Turned it.
I don't think it should be. Yeah, so this is weird. Yeah, this is the first you want to cut this off. More chairs back to your job.
That looks right.
So I think we got your 55. And that one just rotated 90 degrees. Oh, each rotated 90 degrees. Okay, so you use like
Good. You have two as well. This is one. Because this is what? Yours? So you never get it. I think you decided to give it back. Okay. Are you coming, Zoe? We need pretty sure. What do you mean? What's determining you not going?
Not so much the,
To go on the camp. And you made her.
I'm okay with,
Okay, now you're gonna put a variable blood sugar
I would say I've never used it.
on. Fixed blood sugar. No.
So,
That's
the next few weeks. You know, some faceplate is a little terrible.
Actually, I say three
Are you gonna fixed or variable?
Oh, it has to be variable. My bad.
In this case, you see all my
What's the difference between fixed and variable?
Fixed means that it's not able to like. There's no hood on it. So once I get it input in here, I can show you real quick. So this hood here, it can move like this.
Oh, okay.
I don't think that's get and check where the dimensions. Oh.
Right there.
Everyone has their own way of like handling stuff. As long as you kind of like the same.
Yeah, you're definitely not gonna get. You're about to start the next one, but
I think we'll just skip the 254. It's a lot faster. No, go to 254. Because 930 is going to take way too long. That one took me a long time to do. So.
yeah, I don't even know if you'll start and telescope and stuff. You might not get to it. But maybe I just go through and just show them some of the other things you can add, like use an elevator. That's not what's in 67.
Mhm.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to add if you even have time to start here.
When does a movie? Yeah. I guess. Just well, wait, I think I have to fix the entire thing.
Alright, you
just figure it again.
Add the command.
shut down. Oh, then we just move that. Do you want to change the size?
Good guy.
Wait, is there something?
So it's 499, 70.
Oh, yeah.
Not 100.
That's right.
Here. Here. I think you need it on the back one, not the top of it.
You still.
That hood is not the right size. Needs to be 10 inches, not 7. Not 100 either.
Oh, there we go. I got it. If I don't controls where I can rotate, or it's actually
It's too low.
KrayonCAD is great.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard.
This guy's
Oh wait, no, it's not, because it's like, it's the way it's connected to that element, so yeah. You just need to move it like
Show the configuration.
what if you just took it off and then turned it up? So you take that thing off again.
The final arrangements.
They only use the one stage.
Aliens just exactly. Come on, music.
I'm just seeing right now the table.
It's gotta go up and to the stairs, it's gotta go up. Why can't you just take it off and then like put it back on? Right way. That'd be the easiest thing to do.
My computer cannot take this.
There you
I know
go.
it was lagging so hard with me just
Now you need timer in a box.
I can't steal one. That bothers me.
What? Telescopic planer, yes. How tall is it?
How did that?
63.
Wait, both of them are like both the climbers are just sag like that.
Yep.
Interesting.
But they technically rotate, but I didn't model that, so like they can these climbers can angle around this point here.
Ew.
Yeah. Really weird. I don't know why they chose that.
It's right there.
I think there's gonna be like, I feel like there's going to be like, well,
Get
I
out.
feel like there's gonna be trash, so we have to clear out the ball out of the stage.
Well, you wait. Final stage of that would be one. That we could
No idea. Yeah, that's.
I wasn't here for you, but I never lived in
And very much for like most people, but because
that makes me think that's why we're gonna be able to see.
I think that.
that's one thing. I mean, that's not as bad as this list.
I know. I'm clicking.
You can have your computer.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
So,
And actually,
Okay, so
yeah.
okay,
Is that okay? Yes, and then
so
are you representing the team? Representing the team.
okay, so you actually did the
yesterday was.
so it looks like you just did.
Are you talking about like why it's not or not moving or whatever?
Right now, it looks
Negative.
so it looks wrong.
So you guys. Yeah.
Come on, Caden.
Kaden.
Come on, man. Come on. Yeah.
So you can do that when you back in as long as you select the right place. Rotate itself.
Okay.
Hmm?
That's all right.
Yeah, I know. We can go a little over.
Yeah, because Greg's just gonna be chatting.
Let's see. Some of it's on there now. You could social media. Better. And then which one knows what
Good, how was your day?
Ryan, I'm glad it's on service, like, because.
Yeah.
Do you have any ending slides or anything?
Yeah, I just got a closing slide. All right. So I think we're going to be wrapping up here. We're running out of time, sadly. But so that we're going to have 2 other robots to do, but this took a little bit longer than I thought it would. So that's our robot from 24, Crayon CAD, and then also